Welcome to Agal Classroom. Today in this video we are going to see about JEE. I hope that you are almost familiar about this. What is JEE? JEE stands for Joint Entrance Examination. This exam is for what purpose? To get admission in topmost engineering colleges in India. JEE consists of two examinations, JEE Main, JEE Advanced. Based on the rank obtained by the students in JEE Main and JEE Advanced, they will be admitted in the following institutions. The institutions are Indian Institute of Technology, National Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Information Technology, and government-funded technical institutes. JEE Mains consists of three papers, Paper 1, Paper 2 and Paper 3. For BE BTech admission, you can choose Paper 1. For B Arc admission, you can choose Paper 2. For B Planning admission, you can choose Paper 3. Here I have shown a comparison table for all the three papers. In Paper 1, the mode of examination is online, number of sections is 3 and subjects are physics, chemistry and mathematics. Duration of exam is 3 hours, 60 minutes per section. In Paper 2, online and offline examination is there. Mathematics and aptitude are conducted in online mode and drawing is conducted in offline mode. Duration of exam is 3 hours. In Paper 3, the examination mode is online. Number of section is 3. Mathematics, aptitude and planning based question. Duration of exam is 3 hours. In Paper 1, number of question is 75. Each section consists of 25 questions, that is physics 25, chemistry 25 and mathematics 25. In the 25 question, 20 question is multiple choice question and 5 question is a numerical type question. Each question carries 4 marks and total mark is 300. In Paper 2, number of question is 75, that is 75 plus 2. This 2 is for drawing. In 75 question, 25 question is mathematics, 50 question is aptitude. In the 25 question, 20 question is multiple choice question and 5 question is numerical type. 75 into 4 which is equal to 300 marks for online mode and 2 is for drawing, 2 into 50 which is equal to 100. Total mark is 400. In Paper 3, 100 questions are asked, mathematics 25, aptitude 50 and planning based question 25. Total 400 marks. For each correct answer, 4 marks will be awarded. For incorrect answer, -1 will be awarded. If you have not attended, there is no mark. There will be some question raised by the students. How many attempts can I give in JEE Main? 6 times over a period of 3 consecutive years. A candidate can appear for JEE Main twice in the year of January and April. For example, if a candidate appears +2 board examination in the year 2020, then he or she can appear in both the sessions of JEE Mains in the year 2020, 2021 and 2022.
I hope this video is much useful to you. Keep watching for the recent updates.